We start with Brunei Darussalam, where BrewDirect.com reports that Sultan Hassan Al Bolkiah decreed that the Ministry of Education needs the leadership of dedicated, constructive thinking and far-sighted officers. The decree was made during a recent visit to the ministry office in Berakas. The monarch also highlighted the ministry's plans to accomplish Wawasan Brunei 2035, despite the many issues that should be discussed, studied, and addressed together. Apart from this, he also talked about flaws in the National Educational System, the SPN.
Moving along to Singapore, where the Straits Times mentioned that the country has tightened its border restriction in response to new virus variants and the worsening global pandemic. The new regulation, which makes PCR tests mandatory for all travelers, including citizen and permanent residents who arrive in the city-state, will take effect starting January 24th. Now, short-term visitors will also need to travel insurance to cover the cost of their medical treatment in Singapore if they're suspected of having the virus.
And finally, from Malaysia, where the Straits Times also said that a new record high of coronavirus cases was recorded on Saturday. Daily infection numbers reached more than 4,000 amid public debate on the government's movement restriction reimposed last Wednesday and what venues should be closed down. Restrictions initially covered 5 states and 3 federal territories, but has been expanded recently to Kelantan as well. Meanwhile, Malaysia's health ministry reported that the total number of cases has risen to 155,095, with 8 new deaths, bringing the total fatalities to 594.